Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. I am going to be showing you guys our Rich Solar 3000 watt inverter that comes standard on all Model G toy haulers. So up front here in your bulkhead storage, you'll see our 3000 watt inverter. This is going to turn your 12 volt power from your batteries into 120. When this is on, it's going to power all your GFI outlets, your standard outlets, your refrigerator, your air compressor, and then all your TVs. I want to note it will not power the outlets for your washer and dryer. We have a switch and an inverter on the table. Let's check it out. So on the table here, we have one of our 3000 watt inverters. And on the side of the inverter, we have a three-way switch here. So all the way over is on, middle is off, and the other side is the remote. From the factory, it's gonna come on remote, so you should never have to mess with this switch. On the inside of the unit, you'll see the remote just by the steps up to your upper deck. You will be able to utilize this to power your inverter on and off. So if you unplug from shore power, you're hitting the road, press this, and it'll allow your refrigerator to stay running while you're going down the road. So up here in the front storage, I want to point out our transfer switch. So if you're traveling down the road, you have your inverter on, your refrigerator is going to be running, you get to your campsite, you plug into shore power, your transfer switch is going to realize that you're now on shore power, it's going to power off your inverter, and it's just going to pull from shore power now.